Hello all the students of class 8. Today we will start the chapter number 2, that is linear equations in one variable, right? So we have discussed exercise 2.1, okay? We have done all the questions and then exercise 2.2 also done, right? So today we will discuss the next topic here. After the exercise 2.2, we'll discuss the next topic, that is solving equations having the variable on both sides. Okay, so you already know how to solve the linear equations. Okay, how to find out the value of this x, right? So here 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2 given. Okay, so there are, this is called LHS part and this is RHS part. So in both the LHS and RHS part, you can see here the variable x. Okay, so how to solve this type of questions? So here what you do, you have to transfer the various in the same variable x in this side. Okay, that means in any one side you have to bring the all the variables together, and in any one side you have to bring all the these constant numbers, okay, together. Okay, whether it is in LHS side or RHS side, you can bring anywhere. So here you can see it is solved in this manner. You can see in the book how they are solved. Now I am going to start directly the exercise. Okay, here exercise 2.3. So first question is 3x equal to 2x plus 18. So how to solve this? Let's start. So here you can see the first question is 3x equal to 2x plus 18. So what to do first of all? So this 3x is there and 2x. So I will bring this 2x in this side. Okay, in LHS side. So 3x minus 2x. Why minus? Because it has having now plus sign. When it transfer this side, it will become minus. So equal to 18. And then 3x minus 2x, you'll know what is it? 1x. That means x only. And answer is 18. So simple. Very simple, right? Now let's do 2 number question. So this 2 number is 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. So here you can see tt is the variable. So here 3t you bring this side 5t, okay, then minus 3t because it is plus, now it will become minus. And now what you do, minus 3 you shift this side in the RHS part. So what will happen now? Minus 5, this minus 3 will go that side, it will become plus 3. Okay, minus 3 will become plus 3. Now all the variables are together and all the numbers are together. So in this way you have to do 5t minus 3t, it is what? 2t. 5 minus 3 is 2, then minus 5 plus 3, it is what? Minus 2. Now t equal to minus 2, this 2 will come down in divide form. Now it is 2 1 2 and minus is there, so t equal to minus 1. So very easy, right? Now let's see another question. So you do in 3 4 and 5 in your homework, right? Now let's solve question number 6. So here in this question number 6, what you do, 8x plus 4 equal to 3 inside the bracket x minus 1 plus 7. So what you do, first of all, you will multiply this 3 with this x minus 1 because it is inside the bracket, so you have to open up this bracket. Okay, so 8x plus 4 equal to, so multiply 3 into x, 3x minus 3 1 3 plus 7. Okay, now what you do, now bring this 3x in this side. So plus 3x will become minus 3x. So 8x minus 3x. Okay. And then this minus 3 plus 7. You can solve now only minus 3 plus 7 will be what? It will be plus 4. And bring this plus 4 in this side. It will become minus 4. Understood? Now 8x minus 3x. So it will become what? 8 minus 3, 5. 5x equal to 4 minus 4 is what? 0. Okay. Now x equal to what will happen? 0 divided by 5 will go down. So I have told you 0 divided by any number, that means it will be what? 0 always. So value of x is what? 0. Understood now? Now next question number 7 is your homework. So let's do question number 8. Okay. So here you can see question number 8. It is given in fraction. This variable x and this variable x is in fraction. So what we'll do? So we'll do the fraction plus or minus. Okay. First of all, we have to shift this variable in this side. So 2x plus 3. Then it will be what? 7x by 15. That means plus is there. So minus 7x by 15. It will become minus equal to now 3, and bring this plus 1 and it will become minus 1 now. Now you have to solve this fraction by what? Taking the LCM. Fraction subtraction you have to do by taking the LCM. So what is the LCM of 3 and 15? So it will be 15 only, right? So here 15. So remember these things always, okay? Because I told you every time this fraction, addition, subtraction you will be getting every time, every class. So now LCM 15, 3 divided by 15 is what? 5. 5 into 2x is what? 5 to the 10. It will be what? 10x. Understanding? Now 15 divided by 15 is 1. 1 into 7x is 7x. So now 3 minus 1 is 2. Next 10x minus 7x. So it is 3x by 15 equal to 2. Next, now you can cut this. 3 1 is 3. 3 5 is 15. Okay. So it is what? X divided by 5 equal to 2. Now what is the value of x? So whenever there is a number in denominator, then this will go this side. It will multiply, cross multiply. So x equal to 5 into 2, that is x equal to 10. So this is the answer of this question. Understood? Now next question number 9 is your homework. Next question number 10. Now in this question 3m equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. So what you do, you will bring this 5m in this side. So 3m minus 5m, because it is plus, then it will become minus now, equal to minus 8 by 5. Okay. Now what will be the answers? 3m minus 5m, it will be minus 2. Minus 2m equal to minus 8 by 5. Okay. Now what you do? This minus minus will cancel out. So what will be the answer now? This 2m equal to 8 by 5. Okay. Now this 2 will go this side in down. So m equal to 8 divided by 5 into 2. Okay, this 2 will always go down, you know this, and it will be in multiplication form with this 5. Always remember this. Okay. Now you know this 2 and 8 will be cut and it will be 4. So 2 4 is 8. Now 4 by 5. So what is the value of m here? M equal to 4 by 5. This is the answer of this question. Okay, understood? So I have done many questions. Okay. So whatever the question remaining, you have to do in your homework. Okay. Thank you.